We have an acorn woodpecker on the bare top tree that's in front of the Last Bird Ranch. Just seeing. Okay, Speedy's down. That's one. That's two. That's three. That's three. Four. We have Lucifer here this morning. Watched him cross the street from the hillside, safely across Evans Road to Fluffy's side of the street. I'm where the plates and the water dishes because I need to fill up the water dish. Lucifer! Lucifer! There's the face. We're at Fluffy's. It's bright and shiny, sunny, shiny. Pleasantly cool, not cold. It will be warming up into the 80s today. Over on a redwood tree on Eurydius Ranch Road, which is the next street over from Alvisa Adobe Court, we have a red-tailed hawk. He's perched at the top of the tree. We're over just before getting ready to turn on to Alvisa Adobe Court, and Jay spotted it. I can't see that far without the camera zoomed in. And he's over there. Mark here. Okay, we have the Dartmouth male red-tailed hawk on evergreen tree on the eastern hillside behind the church that's next door to Alvisa Adobe Park. And he's over there. And we have the female red-tailed hawk, his mate, up on the cross of the church. She's over there. Well, I'm not getting any birds back here, but I do have a rabbit, CottonTailed, eating vegetation. For all I know, maybe the same one from the other day. We're back at Fluffy's, and she's here. It's going to be a warm one. Here you go. We haven't seen Tabby this morning. Speedy's down. Took one. House sparrow down.